Hi. Can I record you drinking some water? Ready? Oh, good job. I'm 7.5 months old. Oh. Good job. Now you want to play in it? Oh, another drink. You're so big, Cannon. Good job. You want more? Oh, no, you gotta hold it the right way. There you go. More? Whoa. Okay, say bye. I'm tired.
Cheerleaders are getting in on the action. We've got plan. Yes, we do. We've got plan. How about you?
You're silly. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.